Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to hand stamp and make a 3-layer necklace using the 12mm, 20mm, and the 25mm blanks. This is just another example using the 12mm and the 20mm. Okay, so let's begin. These are the materials you're going to be needing for this project. We have our Impress Art stamps. I use a font Juniper 3mm. I have the uppercase, lowercase, and I have the numbers. We have our brass hammer, our steel block, and our enamel marker. For this 3-layer necklace, we're also going to be needing a 25mm blank. I'm using the silver one. I have the 20mm gold blank and a rose gold 12mm. We'll be layering them like this. Okay, so now we can begin. This is an example of the necklace we'll be doing today. We're just going to be changing the names, but we're going to start with the 12mm rose gold blank first. Here it is. Now we need our heart stamp. This is a bigger size stamp. This one you would have to buy it separate. It doesn't come with the Juniper set. Okay, so first off I use my masking tape to tape down the blank so it won't move when I'm stamping it. Here's our heart. Okay, going to position it, eyeball the center. This is a bigger stamp, so I'm going to be hitting it more than 2 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Give it another one. There we go. There's our heart. Put it on the side. Now we're going to work on the 20mm blank. For this one, we're going to be stamping a name around on an angle. The 12mm will go on top, so we want the name to show over here on the bottom of the 20mm. So I'm going to be taping my blank from the top. And I'm going to be stamping the name Linda. So I have my L here, uppercase L. I want to move this around because I want the name to be centered. It needs to be stamped around the blank. Okay, I think I'm ready. There's the L. I'm going to get my lowercase letters. And just go around until I complete the name. Okay, here's our name. The 12mm will go on top, just like this. Okay. Now we get our 25mm This one will have a date. So it's going to go like this. So we want the date to be in the center, right along this way. Okay. Let's get our numbers. The date is 2015. So I want to put it right in the center. There it is. There's our year, 2015. Now you could leave it like this, or you could use your enamel marker so that the letters will pop out more, and that's what I'm going to do. There's our heart. Now the 20 mm. And the 25 mm. Okay, give it a few seconds to dry. Now we can remove the excess marker. Now that we have our stamps complete, we can put them together. Here we are. Now we get our chain. And there you have it. Here's our completed necklace. 3 layers. 3-layer hand stamp necklace. We used the rose gold, and silver. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.